Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create an MIS report using PivotTable and Slicer option in Excel. Today's video is going to be very special, so don't skip this video and watch it till end.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So before moving towards the data, let's first understand the concept of MIS. MIS or Management Information System is a system that helps organizations to collect, process, store and distribute information to support decision making, coordination and control within the organization. The primary purpose of MIS is to provide timely and accurate information to manager and decision makers at different levels of organization. It enables them to make informed decisions, monitor performance, and allocate resources effectively. MIS report typically contain key performance indicator, financial data, operational metrics, and other relevant information. To understand this concept, we have the data of employees' daily sales report that include serial number, employee name, item, rate, quantity, and amount. Now the first thing that I have to do is to select my data, go to the insert option, go to the table, and while creating the table, make sure that you check the my table has headers and then click OK. So when you click OK, the table is changed into a structured table. Now you have to pick any design as per your choice. Now the next step is to select this data, go to the insert tab and create a pivot table. And I am going to create this pivot table in the new sheet. So you can see that we are in the new sheet. In this sheet, I am going to put this item into filter, check the employee name and the quantity of sale. And based on this employee name and the quantity of sale, I am going to create a pivot chart. I am selecting the pie chart and then click OK. Now I am changing the header and I can also choose any design as per my liking. Then I will again go to my first sheet and again I will go to insert pivot table and create another pivot table in the new sheet. In this sheet I will again put this item into filter, check the employee name and the amount of sale, and based on this employees and amount of sale I am going to create a pivot chart, and this time I am going to create the cluster column chart. I will change the chart title, pick the design as per my liking, then again I am going to the sheet 1. Now we have created two chart based on this sales report. So the next step is to move this chart to the basic sheet, that is sheet 1. So the first chart we created was the pie chart. I will right click it and select the move chart, and then I will move it to the sheet number 1 and then press OK. Then the second chart that we created was the cluster chart. So I will right click on it and move chart to the first sheet and then click OK. So you can see that we have moved both of our chart to the sheet 1. Now I am going to adjust this cell as per size of my window. Now you can see that I have adjusted the charts on my sheet. The next step is to select the data again and go to the insert tab. Under the insert tab, I will check this slicer option and select the employee name, item and quantity, and then press OK. Now I am adjusting these windows to my sheet. Now you can see that I have adjusted these as per the size of my window. After this, I will right click on the first tab and then select report connection and check both the tables. Same is done for the items and quantity. So by doing this, all the sliced options are now connected with the all charts. So when I select anything from these slice item, the information is automatically changed in the charts. For example, I want to see the information about the laptop. So when I select this laptop, it is showing me the employees who sell it and the total amount of sale. So I can switch between different items and you can see that the data is changed as per the condition that I am going to provide. You can also remove this filter by just going on the top right corner of this window and then cross this filter and then also crossing the other filter. So crossing all the filters will change it to the original datasheet. And there you have it. You have learned how to create an MIS report using the pivot table and slicer option in Excel. These techniques will help you organize and analyze your data more effectively, ultimately leading to the better decision making. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.